everyone, and thanks for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to save a damaged magic card. If the corner's are frayed or you've got scratches, don't worry, because we can turn it into something like this. I'll be sprucing up this merciless eviction today. I did have to damage it myself because I started filming Grand Arbiter Augustine and lost the second half of the footage. So I did have to damage the merciless eviction myself, which felt very wrong, but no worries because I think it turned out okay. I'll be using 3-hour oil size today. Just a word of warning though, I did have to cut the cap off because it just was not coming off, which I do not recommend you do at home. It was very dangerous. You'll need a flat brush and a soft brush, some wire wool and some varnish, and some gold leaf. This is imitation gold made from aluminium. I'm going to start by covering the whole card with size. This is 3-hour size, so it's meant to take 3 hours for it to be ready to gild. But in my experience, this is never the case. It's always ready much faster, as long as you apply it very thin, going vertically and horizontally to get an even coat. I sped up the drying process with a cold hairdryer. A hot one will make the oil go runny. I'm testing if it's ready with my knuckle. It should be tacky but not wet, kind of similar to the stickiness of masking tape. I'm going to take my leaf and tear it up into parts and cover the whole card. This is better than just putting a flat piece because we're going to rub it back and we'll achieve more of an aged look. I'm going to take my soft brush, press the leaf down gently and rub away all the loose pieces. This is called skewing. You can use your finger as well. Then I'm going to start rubbing it back with the wire wool. First I started dry, but since the leaf is quite thick it was taking quite a lot of rubbing to get it back, so I added a small bit of white spirit. You only need a tiny bit because otherwise you'll end up rubbing all of the gold off. I patted it dry with a bit of kitchen towel and then decided to stick a few more little bits of leaf back over the top. Because these bits aren't rubbed back, they'll have a different shine to the first layer, so it's going to create depth in the card. You don't need to add additional size because the white spirit makes the original layer sticky again. So I'm going to make sure everything is skewed back and then varnish over the top to seal it. I'm applying it in the same way that I did the sides. A thin coat brushing vertically and horizontally to get an even coat. I'm going to let that dry. Make sure it's properly dry and then press it under some books to flatten it out. Sometimes they do start to curl, but they will flatten out again. And this is what we've got. It does look a hell of a lot better than it did before. It looks intentionally distressed now, like an antique that's been pulled out of the rubble. Of course, you don't have to do this on a damaged card, you could do it on any card. This Tamiyo had no damage at all when I started. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Give me a like if you liked it, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, see you soon!